Hi everyone. Today I am gonna show you how to delete CFR backup folder created by your antivirus. As you can see, there is a CFR backup folder in my C drive. CFR backup folders are created by QuickHeal Backup and Restore tool. These are used to store important data such as documents and spreadsheets in case of malware or ransomware encrypts, corrupts, or deletes them. Well, it is not advisable to delete these folders, but if you want to, I will help you. First, go to your browser and download Git. You can easily download Git. You can just go and install it. It's pretty easy. You don't have to do anything. Only you have to click on next options. It has started extracting files. And it will not take much time. It is pretty easy. Actually, there is also CMD in your system, but I prefer Git. Actually, it is a set of command line utility programs, and it is designed to execute on a Unix style based command line environment. You won't be able to delete these CFR backup folders normally. It will not let you delete. So I'm gonna use Git with administrator mode. Okay, let's launch Git. Look, there is an run as administrator option. Yes. Since my CFR folder is in C drive, I am going to C drive. Yeah, cool. You can use commands to see what are the folders available there. Look, this is the CFR backup folder. Now I am going to remove the folder using rm-rf command. Yep. Okay. Okay. Since I was getting permission denied in the more option, go to settings, self protection, and disable it. So yes, and after that, okay. Now I have deleted the safer backup folder. Let's list down the folders available. As you can see, there is no CFR backup folder.